This Yale lock, Yale in town manufacturing. This is Yale on both sides. It's a warded lock. Take out my warded picks. I'll use this one here. This is a master key. The sides have been filed down. That opened it up pretty good. I have large rings of tryout keys, and I found these two that would fit this lock. They're both exactly the same. They didn't come with a lock. They were just in large rings of keys. And they work just fine. So now I have two keys to a nice, really old Yale lock. Peace. Don't break the lock.